It tickles.
You want fish therapy?
This tickles. Why is it? I'm gonna have baby boobs. Like baby.
How it feels?
It feels like it tickles.
So they eating all the corns and bunions on your toes?
Don't say that. I have a pocket of 4 feet now.
Let go, Bob.
It tickles. You know why? They're baby
Bob,
sharks.
let go.
I think that's good.
I'll tell you, Bob.
It's like
Better relax.
it tickles.
You like it?
Yeah, in a way.
It's good to get all them calluses off your
On the
feet.
bottom of your feet because you got mad
I'm
calluses.
gonna have baby smooth.
They might have to throw a little baby shark in there.
It's because
No, it's eating her whole heel. Right? He's loving it.
No, it doesn't hurt.
God.
She needs a pedicure.
Can you put a couple more fish in hers?
in mine.
Yeah.
Why?
It's eating your corn.
Corns.
It's because stop moving. So it's not gonna work.
Yeah, shit, got something in there.
I have to distract myself because it's like. Okay, I swam with no feet. I mean, with. Ah!
No, if I bring him on the plane, you think you're good? Bob will die?
Oh yeah. No, I stepped on right. I mean. Wow, he's eating my cut.
He has a lot of work to do.
I had mad cuts on my foot because those fins.
These fish should get time and a half. You might have to give him a Christmas bonus.
What the hell?
Can you put a giant catfish in one of yours?
Yeah, they gotta put a giant catfish in mine because.
Damn, one looked like it died. What happened?
Damn, Daddy's feet, too.
What the fuck is on me?
Bob, let go.
They're eating the cuts that I had from the thing. I keep. Imagine, no. Nothing just on the bottom. They say it's supposed to be relaxing, but it's nice. But it tickles. It really does. Yeah, they really violated my feet. Did it take my cut off? I also had a mosquito bite on one foot. Just saying.
I'm gonna go take a bath.
I'm going with you now. Yo,